Hello,
No, make your own.
make your own hello, hello.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to impress you with my assembly skills and not so much with my culinary skills because I'm showing you one of the probably best local Filipino desserts. It's called halo halo. Basically means mix.
Super nice, refreshing, super easy dessert. Beautiful day in Abu Dhabi. Let's enjoy an halo halo. The most iconic and popular dessert in the Philippines. You can find it everywhere. By European standard, it's a pretty crazy pudding. Super simple, super refreshing recipe for summertime.
Can I interest you in dessert?
And I can have your dessert.
I like that dessert. This is my dessert.
It's a combination of a lot of different culture with the Filipino touch.
So sweet.
According to the most source, actually halo halo derived from a Japanese dessert called kakigori, that is shaved ice with on top sweet beans. Don't buy this. Halo means mix. That means halo halo mix. Buh.
Alright, so these are the ingredients for our halo halo. This the evaporated milk, leche flan. This next would be, it says sweet beans, paong, sweet palm fruit. Next is red mango. It's like this. Langka, jackfruit.
Don't buy this.
Nata de coco. So everything should be colorful, of course, because that's how it should be. Next is our yam. So you can also use ube ice cream, but this is what we used in the Philippines. If you cannot find the other ingredients, there's also like this in the supermarket. You will see it says halo halo. It's already, everything is mixed already in there. Even says just add crushed ice. Other option, I just saw this option in the same supermarket in the Philippines. It says halo halo, but this one has less color and less ingredients. Of course, it's better when you get you will pick by yourself all the ingredients. Of course, sugar. Can be white sugar. Add whenever you feel like sugar is not enough. So sweet!
What we need, actually, no knowledge for sure, a lot of ingredients, but mainly even a mold to do our ice cube that we will shape it with the perfect shaver.
And of course, we need this fancy glass. Of course, the most important is the ice. We made it by ourselves, traditional way. This is how we do it in the Philippines. So in summer, you will see some Filipinos, they're doing it as a business. They will sell it outside their house. They just need this ice and this thing. See, this halo halo seller works hard, especially when they do it manually. They need to pay a tip.
Let's buy a nice crusher.
It's colorful.
Nice, super nice.
Later, you will judge who made it better. Nice for me. You haven't tried baby durian. Maybe when you go back in the Philippines or even in Thailand, they have it.
Well, like,
There's something even worse than that.
okay, there is something always worse than that. More ice.
See, I need some help.
Don't buy this. Look at that. Yeah. White beans, red beans. Ugh. Very nice.
After it loses my energy. Okay, so we can either pick any color you like. Because we like to make it nice. Get
What
any
about
maybe green.
this?
Baby, follow please. And the exciting part is to put the milk. So,
Eating.
yeah, because look, it's gonna be like this. It's like a
The
shower.
wow moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't put nothing on top.
Nothing. That's all.
Okay. Okay. That's it. Full of beans, full of everything, eh? Super refreshing. Filipino thinks that is the most beautiful dessert ever.
Time for tasting.
What we need to do?
You need to mix it first. That's why it's called
Look
halo
at that.
halo. Mix, mix, mix.
Looks like you like it, no? Very nice.
It's refreshing, especially in summer. But you need
Did you
to
like that?
mix. That's why it's called halo halo. You need to do it like this.
Need to mix.
Mix, mix, mix. See? You see all the colors.
Did you like that? Very nice. Look at it. Perfect combination of sugar, beans,
And I.
and ice.
And
And potatoes. And everything you want, you put inside.
yeah, you can also put a banana.
Ugh.
Make sure you will make them sweet.
I don't know, you can put even meat, beef, lamb.
No, apple maybe, or fruits, any fruits from your country. But these are the usual fruits that we put here. You can put orange, potato, yummy.
I'm not really a dessert chef, but it's not for me.
I like these. Very nice.
Very nice. This one because you like it.
Hello, hello.
No, make your own.
Make your own hello, hello.